Did you know that more than 90 million Americans have too much cholesterol? High blood cholesterol increases the risk of heart disease, the leading cause of death, and stroke, the fifth leading cause of death. High cholesterol has no symptoms, so many people don't know that their cholesterol is too high. A simple blood test can check cholesterol levels. The consensus is that unhealthy lifestyle choices are the main cause of high cholesterol. Hereditary conditions, diabetes, or an underactive thyroid can also contribute to high cholesterol. A healthy diet is actually the most important step to lower high cholesterol naturally without having to use drugs. This can generally lower your cholesterol by 10%. Many people take cholesterol-lowering drugs prescribed by doctors, while lowering cholesterol naturally with proper nutrition can be much more effective. Do you have high cholesterol? And do you want to lower your cholesterol naturally without cholesterol-lowering drugs such as statins? Then this video is for you. Watch the full video and learn how to lower your cholesterol naturally. Do you like this video? Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Here are our tips. Tip number 1, lose weight. Tackling obesity is good for your cholesterol, according to research. Various studies show that a weight loss of 5 to 10% results in lower cholesterol and a decrease in the risk of cardiovascular disease. The cholesterol stored in the fat reserves has nowhere to go except into the bloodstream. That fat is transported in the bloodstream as fatty acids and triglycerides. Tip number 2, eat more vitamins. In combination with a healthy diet, vitamin C in particular has a positive effect on your cholesterol. You can find this vitamin in fruits and vegetables. Vitamin E is also important. You can find it in various vegetables, fruit, vegetable oils, and nuts. Tip number 3, eat olive oil more often. Olive oil, which largely consists of unsaturated fatty acids, has a positive effect on your cholesterol level. Research shows that olive oil lowers LDL cholesterol. Another study shows that the use of olive oil reduces the need for cholesterol-lowering drugs. Use virgin olive oil or extra virgin olive oil. It hasn't been heated to extract the oil from the olives. As a result, the olive oil has not started to oxidize, and it has retained its protective effect for our body cells. Tip number 4, quit smoking. Smoking affects HDL cholesterol, or the good cholesterol in your body. Smoking lowers HDL levels. In any case, it is always advisable for your overall health to stop smoking. Tip number 5, eat an avocado every day. You probably already knew that avocados are healthy. They are a good source of unsaturated fatty acids and dietary fiber. They have also been shown to help lower your LDL cholesterol and raise your HDL cholesterol. One study had a group of overweight people eat avocados. A control group received no avocados. In the group that ate avocados, the LDL level decreased, while this was not the case in the group that did not eat avocados. Tip number 6, exercise. Being physically active is part of a lifestyle that lowers cholesterol and reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease. One study found that high-intensity circuit training is the most effective way to lower blood pressure and improve lipoprotein and triglyceride levels. Consult with your doctor first if you want to do high-intensity circuit training. This study showed that aerobic exercise improved metabolism and reduced inflammation. Tip number 7, eat more dietary fibre. The slow carbohydrates are also called dietary fibre. They ensure that blood is released more evenly and your blood sugar level peaks less. Dietary fibre also has the advantage of strengthening your digestion. Tip number 8, eat more soy products. A large meta-analysis showed that soy proteins had a positive effect on blood values. There was a decrease in the LDL level and an increase in the HDL level. Fresh soybeans were found to be more effective than soy supplements. Tip number 9, eat legumes. Legumes are good for the blood vessels and lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol. They're rich in protein and you can replace meat with them. It does contain carbohydrates, but they are of the good, slow kind. Tip number 10, eat less sugar. Your body only makes bad LDL cholesterol from sugar. Therefore, limit artificial and fast sugars as much as possible. The latter can be found in, for example, white rice and white bread. Artificial sugars have been added to many processed foods. You can recognize them by names such as fructose syrup, dextrose, and saccharin. You don't have to completely exclude sugar, but make sure that they consist as much as possible of slow carbohydrates, found in oatmeal, brown rice, and vegetables, for example. Tip number 11, eat fruit. Fruits and berries are a nice addition to your diet to keep your heart healthy. Fruit is rich in dietary fibre that helps lower your LDL levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Pectin, found in fruits such as grapes, apples and strawberries, can lower cholesterol levels by up to 10%. Berries, such as blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, strawberries and cranberries, lower LDL and raise HDL cholesterol. Tip number 12, eat vegetables. Under the heading fruit, you have already seen that fruit lowers cholesterol. Vegetables, such as eggplants, carrots, potatoes and okra, are also rich in pectin. Leafy green vegetables, such as spinach and kale, contain lutein and other carotenoids which are believed to lower the risk of heart disease. Because vegetables are high in dietary fibre, antioxidants and low in calories, they are a wise choice if you want to keep your heart healthy. Tip number 13, eat dark chocolate and cocoa. Chocolate and cocoa are good for your cholesterol. It not only lowers LDL cholesterol, but also blood pressure. Don't run straight to the store to buy your favourite milk chocolate. Chocolate also contains a lot of sugar, which is bad for your cholesterol. You will therefore have to take dark chocolate, in which the percentage of cocoa is at least 80%, preferably higher. These were our tips to lower your cholesterol naturally. Do you have another good tip? Then let us know in the comments. Do you like Healthy Life Wisdom? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave this video a like if you enjoyed it. See you next video.